Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn about how to make pizza. So it's like pizza spicy, and some people really like spicy things. So let's get started. We're going to play first to the last, but I know I will not have enough stars. So let's get into it. We're going to go into hot spicy pizza.
What's that?
This, I think it's flour.
Yeast.
Maybe.
And what's that?
This might be the coriander maybe juice or mint juice.
No, oil.
Oh, it's oil. And
Olive oil?
yes. Some
Sugar?
salt.
What's that?
You'll see and you'll understand.
No, you need to...
And then we have to add some water. You can see also right here and doing it.
Blender?
The mixer.
Okay.
You can also call it blender if you want.
Wow, super easy.
Yes.
We need to cut onion.
Yes. Oh, add no cross button furniture.
Now we do the bowl.
It'll be going when it's finished.
Just that skin.
Contest. Play now for free.
Sorry guys about that ad that I just came. So let's cut the onion into ring onions. It's already written here. Is it your mobile? We have finished. Now we got to remove the inner layer. I don't know. Oh, very easy. Guys, you can download this game only on Google Play Store. So I've downloaded it for the first time. This is now the tomato. I'm going to also cut the tomatoes into rings. Like this. Then what?
What's that?
This is pepper. In English we call it pepper, and on Bangla we call it capsicum.
How would you game called?
This is called Pizza by it-MWE games. It's the one who made it. Just then cut out this. Get out this.
Oh, there is some seeds that we need to...
Yeah, we need to get it out.
We need to take off some seeds.
Like in the inner
Otherwise
layer.
it will be too much spicy, you will not eat.
Do you know there are some countries who have like triangle cheese?
This time, okay. Now you need to make lots of pieces.
Yeah, like this you can see. Now we need to use the roller to roll the dough. It's gonna be really big, so we need to put some flour. And
What's
then
that?
put, this is pizza sauce.
Then?
And then add the cheese, and then some capsicum. Also you can call it, if you want to guys, pepper. Also it's sometimes called pepper and capsicum. What's this?
Olive?
No, this meat.
Now
Oh, I think it's pepperoni.
how long you need to keep on the
Open the oven.
oven?
I think 30 minutes. How do you keep the pizza for? I think it's just
How long is this?
it just gave in 30 like seconds. How can it be 30 seconds?
Now you need to make it piece.
I think it's now done. Okay, bye, guys. Okay, guys. And bye.
মুখও সাদা হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
তো মুখটা পুরো সাদা হয়ে গেছে।
কার?
মার।
এসে সব
আরে টিস্যু করে দিচ্ছে।
করে